a bad man. Try to take man for fool. I said, I'm a players. I don't know what you're talking about. You get me some job to the dead man. But we're there now. You understand? We're there. Why not? No people, Yard and Vibe, we remixed it. It's not Cook and Vibe, it's Yard and Vibe now, isn't it? So you don't know people, thank you for supporting the first season. It's season 2, it's Yard and Vibe. Oiii, we're cooking roast breadfruit, curry chicken, outside. Yes, people, you don't know. We're building a fire, yeah? Today, man. Today's episode, yeah? We're cooking curry chicken. We're cooking breadfruit. Roasting hot. I know about roast breadfruit. It's roasting hot. Bridging. May I tell you what? Yo. Man like sea. Yo, it's so hot, blood. You don't know people, man. Oiii, it's Cook and Vibe. No, hold on. Yard and Vibe. You see me? We're there. Welcome back to season 2. Yeah? I told you, man, just look out. Wipe that sweat from afar. I told you, man, look out, innit? Because we're coming back. You the beat? We're coming back, man. It's Yard and Vibe. It's season 2. Thank you for all your support on season 1. Isn't me? Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. They are in Portland. Isn't me? M.R. Connect 4. We're here. What we're doing now is we're prepping for our food, right? So what we're doing today is we're cooking some curry chicken. We are roast some breadfruit, right? But you know everything's done outside in Jamaica. Outside with it. And the show say, outside. So right now we're just preparing the pit for the fire, and then we're gonna try to get the breadfruit off the tree, which is gonna be quite funny, I'm sure. Yeah, man. You ready, man? You did the beat! Aye, blood. I'm so happy to be in Jamaica, guys. I'm telling you, man. I'm so happy. Let's just get some likes, just for some positivity, car. Man's out in the yard, and it's just nice, but the sunshine's just beaming. Welcome, brother. Welcome, Jay. What are you doing? Why are you trying to come in on the video? Why are you trying to mash up the video? Fridge. Cool yourself, man. I'm here. What you say? Now move. What you say? Now move. Yeah, then the one that comes to take over man's video. Isn't me? But yeah, we're there, man. You get me? Curry chicken, roast breadfruit. It's just on the menu today. We're going to be doing a whole heap of things out here. Isn't me? So, it's so hot. Bare ant bites and all these things. I did read that show, it bit me badly, you know, my G. Rocker them. We're there, man. Hey! You not chicken game. Get out there, boy. I'll tell you what. I got combined, man. Hey, listen, people. So, yeah. Yard and Vibe. It's not Cook and Vibe. It's different. Yeah? Nice cigarette, that. Jamaican one. Jamaican cigarette. Alright. Listen. Yeah, here we go. So we're cooking curry chicken and breadfruit, right? Now we've got to try and get the breadfruit out the tree. This is going to be funny, see? Cause, yeah, you know, say, I've been Jamaica many, many times, but I ain't done this before. This is the first time for me. So here what we're gonna do. What do you say, hook it from the end there, yeah? People, we are gonna attempt this. Right? Where the breadfruit gone? Can't see it. Where is it? There it is. I've done nothing for the week. Alright, come on. What do you reckon? We got it this time? Yeah? See it there? Oiii, yard and vibe with Daya. Hot. Alright, so I've chopped up the chicken. You get me? Washed the chicken, chopped up the chicken. Right now, we're gonna season the chicken, yeah? Simple thing. We've got some all-purpose seasoning, yeah? The lady did give us in the market there. She gave it to us, tell us to try it because apparently it's a good one. Bugs everywhere. You don't know how the thing said. Jamaica, curry powder, and chicken seasoning, yeah? So we're not gonna waste no time, people. Yeah, we're gonna, first of all-purpose seasoning. Remember, it's cook on vibe, yeah? No measurements, look and learn. And just see what we're doing here. This is the all-purpose seasoning, yeah? Big up the lady in the market for giving us this. Yeah. Should have good. Buy a little chicken seasoning, you see me? We get it down at the little supermarket there. You see me? Alright, chicken seasoning. Gonna put the whole thing in there, you see me, people? Yeah. And then curry powder. Alright. Look and learn, that should be good. You see me, we're outside, man. Yo, listen, love this. We just picked the breadfruit straight off the tree. Now we're gonna cook outside. You see me? We've got the pot stove there. We cook the chicken in. And then we've got the pit that we're gonna cook the breadfruit in. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're just gonna season up the chicken now, man. Yeah, so we are going to put the chicken in the pot now. You see me? Oiii. Cook and vibe, man, yard and vibe, you see me? We're there, man. Yeah, good vibes. Everything good vibes, you know what I'm saying? Yeah. Look at my face. Bro. Bad way, mate. You the mean. So right now, people, we call it salad onions, or what else do they call it in England? Spring onion. Yeah, scallion. Scallion, they call it in Jamaica, you get me? Yeah, man. I just... dash in some of that. Everything cook up nicely now, you see me? I'm trying to come away from the smoke. Every time the camera comes on my face, it's a mad thing, the smoke in my eyes and that. I'm trying to steer from it, but yeah, look on the breadfruit now. You see me? Y'all done vibe with there, man. Bad things going on. I hope you lot enjoy this, man. You ready? You get me? We just put some water on it to just cool it down, you get me, before we peel it off and thing. You don't know, but yeah, done. Breadfruit done. Chicken looking wicked now. You get me? Yeah? Proper things. Soon done.
Yard man style, you know?
You see me?
Yeah, man. Let's put it down on the flat part over there. Put it on the flat there. See it? Yard man style, you know?
That's how you do it. Proper. Alright, now what I think he's gonna do now is hold the top part so I don't get coal and thing around the top. Alright, see it there? I know what I'm doing, I just can't do it. Last piece. Done. See it there? Roast breadfruit in Portland. Yard and vibe, man. That's how it is. So we just cut it up into slices now. See it there? Yeah, it's a taste little piece. Oh, it's amazing. You don't need no salt, no butter. We are way up for the curry chicken as well, so.
Mad. Yeah, man.
Respect. Jamaica style. Zimmy, don't forget to subscribe. You know how you think of oiii.
Simmer down, you know?
We say simmer down, time done. Now it's ready. You get me? So, yeah. Roast breadfruit, curry chicken. Here we go. We'll plate it up now. You see me? Tasted the breadfruit already. Curry chicken. Yard and vibe. I told you lot something was coming next year and I didn't want to tell anybody because I didn't want to ruin the surprise. But I hope you like the surprise. Yo, you can smell the pepper, you know. You can smell it, man. Yeah, alright, so we catch the sunlight, man. Cook just in time. You get me? I don't know what it is, you know. I don't know if it's the seasoning. I don't know whether it's the chicken. Just because it's from Jamaica. But yo, bad. Bad, bad, bad. We dip a little piece of breadfruit in the gravy. Bad. Oh my days. Cooked curry chicken, wooi, you know. It's a good one. Fresh ingredients, straight from yard. Breadfruit straight off the tree. What more do you want, man? You get me? Hope you enjoyed the episode. You get me? We got Connect 4. We got Wayne. We're there, man. I'm going to relax and eat my food now. You see me? Yeah! Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Yard and vibe.